Good morning. Today we're looking at the first two examples, trying to fit a trend line with 3 data points out of section 6.4 optimization and best fitting curves out of business calculus with Excel. As we typically do, we're starting a new technology by doing a problem we can do both ways. I will have 3 points that have nice integer values. I'm going to want to find the trend line that is the best fitting line to them. I can do it by using the trend line off of Excel, by going to the definition, or by using calculus in the definition. So the first way to do it is the old-fashioned way we do, finding a best fit curve with trend line. I've plotted my points, I've put points in a table, I've made a graph. I then decide I'd like to add a trend line. I'm going to want it to be a linear trend line, and I'm interested in the equation here, so I'll display the equation on the chart. And we see that the best fitting line is y equals 2x plus 1. For example 2, I'm starting with the same data, except this time I'm going to do it, and I've said let's assume the slope is 3 and the intercept is 4. We should use Excel to get a better version of that. I'm going to look at the formulas underneath there, and what I see is for each value of y, I have m times x plus b. That's the predicted value of y, the error. I square the error, and then I add them up. The definition says I want to find the slope and the intercept, which makes this value here as small as possible. So right now the sum of squared errors is 251. I'm going to go to Solver, and with Solver I'd like to make F18 as small as possible. I'm going to do that by changing cells B11 and B12. I just use Solver, and Solver gives the same answer, 2, 1, so y equals 2x plus 1, which was the same answer we got. Notice that our sum of squares has come down. It had been 200 and something, and now it's down to 56. And if I just make the values a little different, notice it goes up. So any change there is going to make my answer less correct. So this is the best fitting curve, and this is the definition of best fitting curve. Notice my answer again keeps going up as I get away from 2, 1. Thank you.